Hi guys, it's me, just checking in. Hope you're doing well. Been super busy in the office, which has been great seeing all of you guys, and so great to see your faces again. I've missed you, even though I only see portions of it, but it's still great, and just getting acclimated to the new routines and all the new protocols in place. We want to keep everyone safe, so that's our number one priority, and definitely getting into a new routine and rhythm with that, but it's going good. I figured today I would kind of fill you in a little bit on some services that we're offering at Pure. It's the IV therapy. We've had this before, but we're doing a little bit more of an in-depth treatment, have more options available now, so I wanted to kind of fill you in on some of the choices. I feel like it's sort of relevant right now since we're all wanting to make sure we're keeping ourselves healthy and strong and replenished from stress, things like that. We do have an IV treatment that's just hydration, strictly, replenishing those fluids that we lose. We have other ones that are a little bit more in depth. We have one that is, in the past has been treated for jet lag and hangovers. Now, obviously, jet lag is probably not much of an issue, but for hangovers, it's great. Replenishes the vitamins and nutrients that we lose from overindulging. So that's a great treatment to try. The other one we have is called Pure Calm, and that one is a treatment where it basically helps reduce anxiety, stress, sort of calm everything back down, get into a nice balance, which is really good just for overall health. One that's really great for right now is the IV for immunity. We call it the Pure Immunity. And basically that's just got a lot of vitamins that support our immune system, help keep it strong, functioning well, a lot of vitamin C, things like that. We also have a Pure Beauty, and that one I love. That one actually includes a antioxidant called glutathione, and that's an antioxidant that's super powerful. Basically helps repair the damage to skin cells from free radicals, so that's a great treatment to include. With that, we also add ingredients that are the building blocks of collagen, so it helps improve the overall skin, and you just get a great glow from the hydration as well. And then we have a couple others that are just replenishing vitamins, nutrients, things like that. We have a Pure Athletics one that's for, when you've been overdoing your workouts outside in the heat, or you're training for something pretty intensely and you need to replenish and heal and re-strengthen your muscles. That's a great treatment as well. But they typically take about 45 minutes to do. They're very efficient. It doesn't take a lot of time. I recommend them weekly if you can. We do offer package pricing, which sort of brings that down. The pricing starts at about $150. So if you are interested or you have questions or anything like that, just let me know. We also include a few booster shots. We have a vitamin D, B12. We have something that's basically called the Burn Boost, and it helps boost our metabolism, things like that. So let me know if you want to talk about it. Hope you're good. Bye.